Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Back to you, my love. I want the mashed potatoes and gravy and the veggies. Thank you.
Yeah, we can eat here.
Full salad.
It's Thanksgiving.
And what are you gonna have?
House salad to go. But I'm gonna eat here.
You're gonna eat some of it here
Eat some.
because you can't eat it all at once, so you'll take some with you.
Yes, because we have to go to lake, as you know.
Right.
It's lunchtime, but you're gonna eat Thanksgiving dinner.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
We went on a 5-lake cruise today. Went to 5 different lakes. Actually, we've been to 4, and we got hungry, so we decided to stop off for our Thanksgiving dinner here at Denny's. And we still have to go to Lake Elsinore from here. So it'll be 5 different lakes we went to today, and I was able to fly the drone in a couple of them, like 2 or 3. Anyhow, it was too windy. It was windy everywhere. Today's been a windy day, badly. Oh, I'm so ready to eat this.
What is that?
We have turkey with dressing, mashed potatoes and gravy, and mixed vegetables, and cranberry sauce. Cranberry, I like cranberry sauce.
Yummy.
And Jai decided she wanted to eat just a salad.
So smart.
Okay, we'll do yours now.
Another bite. Another bite.
Another bite. Let's go with vegetables.
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 Okay, the other bite different. Which one?
This is the turkey.
It's a game changer. And I'll tell you why. I use my finger every 4 seconds like Cookie Rice.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Oh.
Oh yeah, a little bit of mashed potatoes and gravy on it.
Okay. Okay. Nearly finished.
Going in for the big one.